Bonus rounds are the best opportunity to score some of the biggest wins possible in any slot game. But what if I told you that instead of spinning and praying, you could jump right into the bonus round action? This is now possible with bonus buy slots. This is Dominic from the All-American Casino Guide, and before we begin, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Bonus buy slots are games that offer a bonus buy feature. This feature allows you to literally buy into a bonus round instead of spinning over and over, just waiting for it to actually happen naturally. And let's face it, bonus rounds are what we're hoping to hit whenever playing a slot game in the first place. So how exactly do these bonus buy slots work? Once you open it up the game, you'll notice a big shiny button that says bonus buy or bonus pass. All you need to do is choose your wager amount, press the button, sit back, ideally with a margarita in hand, and enjoy the bonus round spins. It's really that simple. Now, the price of your bonus buy play can vary anywhere from 30x to 100x your initial wager. Now, we're not talking about chump change here. For example, if you used to wager $2 per spin, you can now expect a bonus buy round costing you anywhere between $60 and $200. The bottom line here is, it ain't cheap. However, keep in mind that bonus rounds are the moment where any slot will potentially pay out the most. So it comes down to a matter of high risk versus high reward. Now, I know this information leaves you with some burning questions like, why should I play bonus buy slots over normal slots? Are they actually more profitable? Does the math add up to use this feature? And I'm gonna lay out the facts right here and right now. For the most part, there's no return to player advantage when buying bonus rounds over just regularly playing a slot and hoping to hit one naturally. That is pretty much the cold, hard truth of the matter. However, this doesn't mean that bonus buys aren't worth it. What it comes down to is basically just a matter of how you like to play your slots. If you're the kind of player that prefers instant gratification or simply doesn't have the time or patience to sit there and spin and spin and spin waiting for one of these bonus rounds, then this new feature is a welcome addition to the game. But if you're happy with how slots have always traditionally been, then this feature is likely not really for you. By the way, if you'd like to try bonus buy slots for yourself, then go ahead and check out our website. The link is down below, where you'll find updated lists of the best and safest online casinos, and as well as numerous bonuses that you can make use of right now. So it all comes down to this question: are bonus buy slots truly worth it? Personal preference is a key here. Bonus buys are not cheap, so getting into a bonus buy frenzy can quickly eat up your bankroll. However, many of the newest bonus buy slots will increase your game RTP by up to 2%. If you are playing one of those games, it might slightly increase your odds. As always, we recommend you continue to play responsibly, know when to quit, and make sure not to chase after your losses. Well guys, that's all for today. Let us know your thoughts and experiences with bonus rounds and bonus buy slots in the comment section down below. And always be sure to hit those like buttons and that subscribe button and ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell up at the top to continue to stay updated on all our latest videos. That's all from us here at AmericanCasinoGuide.com. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.